guys, welcome to this new video where we're going to be making some jammy buns. These are like a little really nice treat and I'm doing this video hopefully in 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. You will need some self-raising flour. You want 200 grams of this. You also want some castor sugar. You want 100 grams of castor sugar. You want 100 grams of salted or unsalted butter. It doesn't matter for this recipe. And you want some strawberry jam, and then you want 1 free-range egg. Okay, so we've got our ingredients, and the first thing you want to do is put your flour into a big mixing bowl, followed by your butter. And then you want to use 2 knives, this is a really common technique, and just chop it up across each other. Then you put your hands in. Make sure, if you haven't already, to wash your hands, and you just want to bring it up and crumble it and make sure it gets nicely combined with the flour. Okay, so now we've got these lovely breadcrumbs. They're very fine. It's kind of creamy yellowy. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our castor sugar to our bowl, and what I like to do is use a normal dessert spoon and just mix it up into the breadcrumbs. Okay, so this part is where we add our egg. First we make a well, which is basically like a little hole, and then we can crack the egg on the side of our bowl, open it up gently, and then try not to get any of the shell in there, and then fold in and then mix to try and create a dough. Time lapse. That you have your egg fully mixed in, it should probably look like this. So you want to try and get your hands in and try and fold it into a ball. If it doesn't all go together, then you can use a bit of water, which just helps the whole thing to go together. But you want to roll it out into a sort of a sausage shape, so you get a decent length. It doesn't really matter how long it is, at least so it can divide into 12. So what we do next is we grab a knife from when we used it earlier, and we can just chop down the middle like that. And then you want to chop these halves again, and then you want to get these quarters, and you want to go here, and you get that piece, and you also cut that then in half, so you cut it into thirds. Yeah, you end up with these balls once you roll them around a bit. If they're a bit square, don't worry, because you can roll them up again. Okay, so now you want to set your oven to 180 degrees, and you're just going to leave it to heat up while we grease a tin. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get these little dough balls, and we're going to put them on the tray in the form of a ball, and instead of flattening them like a cookie, we're going to put our thumb on them so we get a nice little indent. We're going to do that for all of them. Now you've got all the indents in these, you're going to grab your jam, and you're going to get half a teaspoon of jam and just plonk it in there. Now what you want to do is shove this in the oven, and you want to set a timer for 13 minutes. If your oven is a bit weird, I go for 12 to 15 minutes. And they're in there. So let's wait. And, you know, what could possibly go wrong? Looks like these lot are ready. Do you approve?
Very much. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye.